What? What happened? Fuck. Fucking what the fuck?
I knew that was gonna happen, dude.
What fucking broke? Behind?
Yeah, remember I was saying it was getting bad last night with the vibration and shit? The
The
Heim.
bolt came off. No.
Oh, the bolt came off?
Fucking, the Heim didn't break. What happened to, we're missing something.
The nut? We never even took that one off.
Fuck. Oh man, we lost the fucking nut.
I thought you had some extras in here, no?
Fucking, there might be one. He doesn't even tear us down, huh?
No. Right here. See if this will fit. I don't know if it will. I think it's the wrong thread.
Oh, it's fine thread. Yeah, that's the wrong thread. There's no, that's fine thread.
Well,
There isn't another one in there? Fuck, how in the fuck did we lose the nut?
you know, I didn't check that side last night. Duct tape. I mean, not duct tape, but.
Fuck, we need a fucking
Cord. I need to make the emergency pack when we get back. There ain't shit in here for fools. Spring.
I wonder how far he's gonna go before you realize we're not here.
Got a strap. There's a Heim. There's a small nut. We might have to make that one fucking work, dude.
No, I can't.
Well, you can.
Call David.
To get us back to camp.
This was one in here.
What about here? There's nothing in here. Not on this. It's the
A nut fell off of my A-arm, so the left A-arm's, I need a one big nut for it. Oh, you did? Oh, alright, well, we don't have one that size for this. It's a coarse thread, you know, 3/4 inch. Got him back at camp. Oh, you might? Okay. All right, bye. Wonder if he's going back.
He turned around?
Yeah, he turned around. I got cigarettes, so I got a lighter in here. God damn it. You gotta get that nut, this thing back in.
Yeah, this is for that crew. We didn't even take this one off, dude. Like when we were doing the steering and shit.
It had to have a
Or did you take?
nut.
Or did you
No,
take it off?
It had to have a lock nut. I didn't take it off. Get it? Get it on? Let's see. You take that branch, big 3/4 inch bank with that. How'd that have backed off? Going through it?
No.
It's got to go through it.
spinning this too.
It's stuck in the car.
You just need to twist this a little bit.
I need to pull it out and see why it's not going through the time.
I'll kick the tire under.
The tie rod?
Yeah, just the nut go off.
There it goes.
Let's see. I don't know why it's not going through the line.
Red tap it and branch.
Have the nut or it's gone?
I don't have a net, yeah. But I can put that in the can. It's going through there. Let's see. Should slide right in that.
Looks like this is bent, dude.
Oh yeah, it's bent.
Oh well.
It can be hammered out.
Yeah.
It's almost going. It's like probably halfway through though.
It's halfway through.
Yeah, I can feel it just by running my finger.
I guess it's still bolted on there, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just, shit, man, I gotta go back to camp.
You have a few more taps here. It's going.
That's the thread to it.
Yeah, if we had a.
I got all kinds of
I got fine.
spare fucking parts. Oh, you do too? Oh, I got a whole box.
Got the bolt, the nut.
It's not here.
Not here. We got a fine threaded 3/4 inch, but I don't know. Not a quarter. Yeah, back off. Put that on. And I was gonna throw a few of those on there too. But I got the wrench instead of bolts. You know what? Somewhere else
I was thinking that too, but it's
where would we have one we don't need here?
kind of need all of them, don't you? Well, what about the seatbelts in the back?
Seatbelts?
The-
They're not